So, were you able to fix it?
Unfortunately, no. In your initial call, you called for a 30-gallon water tank, and that's what I brought, but yours is a 50.
Is that much different?
20 gallons, my friend, is a huge difference, which just means I would have to pick up a different unit.
Oh, I see. Damn.
So I could be back on Thursday.
Thursday? That's in 4 days.
I know, I'm so sorry. I'm booked. Back-to-back calls.
Oh, wow.
If I'd known the correct size, I would be installing it right now for you.
Is there any way you could push back your other calls and install mine right now?
Not really. Maybe Wednesday. Possibly Wednesday I can fit you in. If that works for you.
Well, now that you mention it,
Okay.
hear me out.
Yeah.
What if I squeeze you in today and you squeeze me in after your last call?
What do you mean?
I'm sure a big, strong man like you could use a break every once in a while.
Well, my lunch is in an hour.
Not like that. I
No.
mean, something more physical,
How physical are we talking?
as far as you want to take it.
Oh, I can take it pretty far.
So I'll squeeze all of you in right now, and you can squeeze me in after your last call.
Is that right? I think I'd probably come by after my last stop.
Sounds like a deal.
It does.
So, how big is your tool, Mr. Handyman?